Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download our Rytr and automate ad copy testing workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download our Rytr, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type our Rytr and hit enter. Click on the official Rytr website link in the search results. Once on the Rytr homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the sign up page. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you're a new user, fill in the required information to create an account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link and click it. Once your account is verified, return to the Rytr website and log in. Now that you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To start automating ad copy testing workflows, navigate to the Templates section. Choose the ad copy template from the list provided. Begin customizing your ad copy by entering relevant details in the provided fields. Use the AI suggestions to refine your text as needed. Once you're satisfied with the copy, make sure to save your work. Next, to automate testing, you can set up A/B variations of your ad copy. Create multiple versions by altering headlines or calls to action. Save each version clearly labeled for easy identification. Consider integrating tools like Google Ads or Facebook Ads for further automation. Export your ad copies in the required format for your ad campaigns. Monitor the performance of each ad copy variation once they are live. Review the results regularly to determine which copy performs best. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to optimize future campaigns. With these steps, you can effectively download our Rytr and seamlessly automate your ad copy testing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.